How do I switch from e-filing to file by mail on IRS? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about on how can you switch your e-filing to file by mail on IRS. If you have already submitted your tax return but now wish to switch to filing by mail, you might need to take specific steps to ensure that the IRS receives your paper return correctly. So here is a general guide. First of all, stop the e-filing process. If you're in the middle of your e-filing process but have not yet submitted the return, you can simply close the e-filing application or exit the process without completing the submission. Next, wait for the rejection if applicable. If your e-filed return has already been submitted, you may need to wait for the IRS to process it. If the return is rejected for a reason, you can switch to filing by email. Next, amend your return if necessary. If your e-filed return is accepted by the IRS but you still wish to switch by filing by mail, you can consider filing an amended return. You would need to use IRS Form 1040X, amended US, individual income tax return to make changes. Now, prepare a paper return. If you haven't e-filed yet, or if you are filing an amended return, prepare a paper copy of your tax return using the appropriate forms and schedules. Ensure that you include all the necessary attachments such as W-2s, 1099 and any other supporting documents, then sign and date the paper return. Make sure to sign and date your paper return. An unsigned return may be considered incomplete. Now, mail your paper return to the appropriate IRS address. The IRS often provides different addresses based on the factors such as your location and whether you are including a payment. Refer to the instruction for the specific tax form you are using to find the correct mailing address and include payment if applicable. If you owe taxes and are including a payment with your paper return, make sure to follow the instructions for including the payment with your mail return. And finally, track your mail return. Consider using a certified mail with return receipt to track your mail return. This provides proof of mailing and delivery. Always check the latest IRS guidelines and instructions for the tax year 2024 to ensure that there have been no changes to the process. If you have specific concerns or questions, you may also contact the IRS or consult with a tax professional for the personalized advice. This is how you can switch from e-filing to file by mail on IRS. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.